guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have our Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the month of October 2019. I am so excited. This is my favorite time of the month, every month. I absolutely love getting my Boxycharm. For those of you that don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription. It is $21 a month. No, I think they just upped their prices to $25 a month. And you get a bunch of full-size makeup each month delivered directly to your door. And yeah, let's just hop right in. You open it up, this is what I see. I did already take a peek and took off all the annoying wrapping all over everything. And I wanted to know what to put on my face before we started. So you get this little pamphlet. You get it every month. It gives you a list of everything that you get, plus the price. And I got variation number 18. So I'm going to hop right in. The first thing that I see is by Iconic London. This is the Prep Set Glow. It's a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that lift the skin with Iconic's glow. This stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. With extracts of cucumber and chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E, this 100% vegan wonder spray helps to condition skin, combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. Retails for $29. Can I say just how beautiful it is? Look at it just swirls around. It is mesmerizing. Let's see what the spray nozzle's like here. Oh, I think my spray nozzle's broken. Yeah, it's missing like the white thing that's usually on the end of them. I think I have, let me try to find my, okay, I have this bottle here. It is empty. I'm going to remove this nozzle and put it on my other one. All right, I'm back. I have the Urban Decay sprayer on. Let's see the mist. Ooh. It looks like a nice, fine mist. I'm not going to spray my face yet. We'll do that after. The next thing that I see in here is by Dose of Colors. It is the Snow Angels palette. You open it up, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's very, very pretty. It has the shade names on the back. And when you open it up, there's a little brush in here. And these are the shades. Oh my God, they are absolutely stunning. I will do swatches at the very end and leave a photo of that up. But for now, I want to create a look with this. All right, so I'm going to start in with this lightest shade right here. And that's going to be my transition shade. I'm just going to put it all over in my crease, going fairly high up to my eyebrow. Now with the Juvia's Place 006 blending brush, I'm going to dip into this bright pink. And I'm going to start creating a halo eye effect. So I'm just going to stamp it into the inner and outer corners at first. And then I'll sweep it through the crease. and just build it up until it's the color that you want. Look at that pink. That's insane. Now I'm going to go in with the little brush that came with it. I'm going to use this fluffy end, and I'm going to take this darker purpley reddy kind of shade, and I'm going to stamp that in my inner and outer corners just to deepen it up a bit. Then with that same brush, I'm going to go in with this deep blue shade, and I'm going to do the same thing and just stamp it in my inner and outer corners. All right, now I'm going to go back in with my original Morphe brush and that lightest shade. I'm just going to go around these lines and really blow them out. All right, now I'm just going to take a little bit of this Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base, and I'm just going to cut out the center where the halo portion will be. Now that you have that done, you're gonna pick your shade you want for in there. I don't know what I want to do. I was thinking this bright blue, but I don't know. I gotta go back to work, so I can't be too crazy. I think I'm gonna go in with this lightest shade on that same concealer brush we were just using. All right, so they're all mattes. I need a little something extra. So there's no like shimmery, highlighty shades in this palette. And my halo highlight needs a little bit more, so I'm going to go in with my Dior. This is the Backstage Glow Face palette. This is the newest one. And I'm going to go in with this pinky kind of shade right here. And I'm just going to top that with my finger right on top of this center. All right, now back in with the brush that came with it, I'm going to take this bright blue shade and I'm going to sweep that underneath. All right, I'm not sure if I told you what this retails for. The Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette retails for $32. I'm leaving my eyes like this for a moment because we got some other things to finish off the eyes in the box. The next thing I'm pulling out, I just dropped the lid, is where is it? Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Liner. This retails for $7. Most of the time when I get these in boxes, they're, oh, this one doesn't feel too bad. It's not the most creamy in the world, but it's not the most scratchy one in the world either. So I'm going to quickly hop off and put this on my eyes. All right, so this is, it's okay. I kind of smudged a little bit around my upper lash line and in my waterline. Like I said, it's not the greatest, but I'm not mad at it either. The next product I'm pulling out is by Hank and Henry. It is the Slick With It Mascara Duo. This retails for $19. It is double-ended. You have a bigger end on this side, and then on this side you have a little teeny tiny one for your lower lash line, your lower lashes. So let's test this bad boy out. If I can find a mirror. Well, I don't know, that mascara is not doing too much for me. Let's try the little end on the lower lashes. I like the little ones. I'm going to quickly go in with some Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and fix these upper lashes. All right, so the last thing we have in the box is by Mellow. It is a tinted brow gel, and this retails for $16. I didn't pencil in my brows or anything. I want to see how good this stuff is just on its own and what its abilities are. That actually made a huge difference. I am quite surprised. Of course, it would probably look better if I did pencil them in, but look at that. I'm actually quite impressed with this stuff. Excuse me while I make this one match. All right, yeah, I really like that eyebrow stuff. I'm surprised. Okay, now I'm going to set my face with the mesmerizing setting spray. Let's see how it goes. Shake it up really good. All right, guys, so that is everything that is in my box. The setting spray is nice. It sank into the skin. It melted my makeup into my skin really nicely. It didn't leave me really shimmery or anything, which I was worried about by looking at the shimmers in it. I was expecting to look like I just sprayed liquid highlighter all over my face, but it doesn't look like that. So that's a good thing. I just put this Luna by Luna lip gloss on, and we're calling it a day. I will get up a little bit closer so you can check out the final look. Excuse my hair extension there. Shh. I think it turned out amazing. This little Dose of Colors palette, I'm definitely gonna have to pick up another one. The Sassy Siennas one, the one with all the orange, I might just pick up because that one was calling my name. I was really hoping for that one, but I'm super stoked that I got this one. I will put the total retail value of my box right here. So for what you pay, you can see you get more than what you pay for. Anyways, guys, that is it for this month's Boxycharm. If you like these videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And you know, if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos, you gotta hit that little notification bell. And until next time, stay beautiful.